Business is online, but you're not getting enough customers. This is for you. I'll show you how to boost your business online, step by step. Even if you're just starting and have a small budget, the first step is having a strong online presence. This means your business must be easy to find and understand. Start with one main platform: website, Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Make sure your profile clearly shows what you offer, who it's for, and how it helps people. Use a clean logo, a simple description, and clear contact information. When someone visits your page, they should understand your business quickly. The biggest mistake is trying to reach everyone. Instead, focus on one specific audience. Ask yourself, who is my ideal customer? What problem do they have? And how does my business solve that problem? When you know your audience, your content becomes more powerful. Your ads perform better, and your marketing becomes much easier. Content is the engine that drives online growth. You need to create content that educates, entertains, or solves a problem. This can be short videos, posts, tutorials, tips, or behind-the-scenes content. Focus on helping your audience, not just selling to them. Consistency is more important than perfection. One post or video per day is better than one perfect post per month. Search engine optimization, or SEO, helps people find your business online. Use keywords related to your business in your titles and descriptions. On social media, focus on platforms where your audience spends time. Use hashtags and short videos to increase visibility. The goal is simple: make it easy for people to discover your business. People buy from businesses they trust. Reply to comments, answer questions, and engage with your audience. Share testimonials, reviews, and real results. Show the human side of your business. Trust turns viewers into followers, and followers into customers. Track your results to see what content performs best. Improve what works, remove what doesn't, and scale your efforts. Boosting your business online doesn't happen overnight.